Paragraph 1. In today's world, when everything is losing its meaning, we need to realize the importance of family more than ever. While the world is becoming more modern and advanced, the meaning of family and what it stands for remains the same. Paragraph 2. It does not matter what kind of family one belongs to. It is equal as long as there is care and acceptance. You may come from an extended family or nuclear family, it is all the same. The relationship we have with our members make our family strong. We all have unique relations with each family member. In addition to other things, a family is a strongest unit in one's life. Paragraph 3. A family is made strong through a number of factors. The most important one is, of course, love. You immediately think of unconditional love when you think of family. It is the first source of love you receive in your life. It teaches you the meaning of love, which you can carry on forever in your heart. Furthermore, we see that, like love, loyalty strengthens a family. When you have a family, you are devoted to them. You stick by them through the hard times and celebrate their happy times with them. Family members always support and back each other. They stand up for each other in front of a third party trying to harm them, proving their loyalty. Paragraph 5. All the things people learn from their families bring them closer. For instance, we learn how to deal with the world through our family first. They are our first school, and this teaching strengthens the bond. It gives us reason to stand by each other as we share the same values. Paragraph 6. One cannot overemphasize the importance of family. It plays a great role in our lives and makes us better human beings. Those lucky enough to have a family often do not realize its value. However, those who do not have families know their worth. A family is our source of strength. It teaches us what relationships mean. It also helps us create meaningful relationships in the outside world. The love we inherit from our families we pass on to our independent relationships. Paragraph 7. Moreover, families teach us better communication. When we spend time with our families and love each other and communicate openly, we create a better future for ourselves. When we stay connected with our families, we learn to connect better with the world. Paragraph 8. Similarly, families teach us patience. It gets tough sometimes to be patient with our family members, yet we remain so out of love and respect. Thus, it teaches us patience to deal better with the world. Families boost our confidence and make us feel loved. They are the pillars of our strength who never fail. Who never fall. Instead, they keep us strong that we become better people. So the entire passage I've read was adapted from essay on importance of family for students and children. Okay, and that is the web address, which is www.top, that is toppr.com. Okay, now we have finished reading the passage. Let's go to answering questions. We come to the questions, and The instruction is now answer the following questions. Write your answers in the separate answer booklet provided. So the answers will be written in the answer booklet like I've been singing along. So that's what you do with the comprehension of this passage you have just read. You go into the answer booklet and record your answers once you have found the correct answers, the correct answer to the question from the question paper. Question 1 is as follows. It's coming from paragraph 1, and the question is, despite the changes in the modern world, the dash does not change. Okay, so let's go to paragraph 1 and read paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 is down here. I hope you can see it. Let's go through it and then find the correct answer. In today's world, when everything is losing its meaning, we need to realize the importance of family more than ever. While the world is becoming more modern and advanced, the meaning of life and what it stands for remains the same. Okay, so when we go back to our question, it's saying, despite the change in the modern world, the dash does not change. So here we can see that what has remained the same is the meaning of family, and what it stands for remain the same. So the meaning of the family. So let's look at the answers we have gotten. A, advanced in technology. B, importance of family. C, the meaning of family. D, modern change in family. So the correct answer here, what is not changing, the correct answer here is C. Okay, we are able to see that what has remained the same is the family, which is C. The correct answer is C, meaning of the family. So the sentence should read as follows. Despite the changes in the modern world, the meaning of family does not change. Okay, so that is the correct answer there, which is C for question 1. According to paragraph 2, what matters in a family is, according to paragraph 2, what matters in a family is A, care and acceptance. B, the kind of family. C, the relationships. D, unique relationships. Okay, so let's go to paragraph 2 and check the correct answer. Paragraph 2 is as follows. It doesn't matter what kind of family one belongs to. It is equal to as long as there is care and acceptance. You may come from an extended family or nuclear family. It is all the same. The relationship we have with our members make our family strong. We all have unique relations with each family member. In addition to other things, a family is the strongest unit in one's life. Okay, so the question is, according to paragraph 2, what matters in a family is, so our answer will come from here. It doesn't matter what kind of family one belongs to. It is equal as long as there is, so the correct answer is there is, as long as the family has got care and acceptance, then it's a family. So the correct answer is A. Question 3, paragraph 3. So question 3 is, the question is coming from paragraph 3, so that's where we're going to fetch our answer. The strength of the family depends on, A, love received. B, many factors. C, only love. D, your heart. Okay, so let's go to the paragraph and then read it through, then we get the correct answer from the paragraph. Okay, so here is the paragraph 3. So paragraph 3 is as follows. A family is made strong through a number of factors. The most important one is, of course, love. You immediately think of unconditional love when you think of family. It is the first source of love you receive in your life. It teaches you the meaning of love, which you can carry on forever in your heart. Okay, so that is the passage. So which one is the correct answer there? The question is, the strength of the family depends on A, love received. Okay, A, love received. B, many factors. C, only love. D, your heart. Okay, so here when you look at the proposed answers, we can still find a related information, even if it's not they haven't used the same words in the paragraph and the answers given. But when you look at this statement, number of factors, so when you talk of number of factors, it symbolizes that you are talking about many factors. Number of factors, you are talking about many factors. So the correct answer is B. Okay, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Otherwise, that was the correct answer. Question 4. Question 4 is as follows. Using information from paragraph 3, complete the sentences below by filling in one word in each blank spaces. Okay, using the information from paragraph 3, complete the sentences below by filling in one word in each blank space. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go through this passage, then we are going to bring out the paragraph, then we read through and then determine the answers for this for these blank spaces. Okay, so the question is as follows. The actual question is as follows. The dash teaches you the meaning of love. It gives you the dash love in your life. Dash remains in your heart dash. Okay, so let's go to paragraph 3 so that we can determine the words that can be put in these brackets. Okay, paragraph 3 is as follows. A family is made strong through a number of factors. The most important one is, of course, love. You immediately think of unconditional love when you think of family. It is the first source of love you receive in your life. It teaches you the meaning of love, which you can carry forever in your heart. Okay, so let's go to the statement. The dash teaches you the meaning of what teaches you the meaning of love. So that is the family. Okay, that is the family. So here the answer is coming from here. I hope you can see the answer is coming here. It teaches you the meaning of love. Okay, teaching you the meaning of love. So what will teach you the meaning of love is family. Okay, family. Okay, then it gives you the dash love in your life. Okay, so when the answer for this one is coming from here, it is the first source of love you receive in your life. So the second answer is going to come from here. Okay, it is the first source of love you receive in your life. So here it's saying it gives you the first love in your life. Okay, now first love in your life, then dash remains in your heart. Okay, so the third answer is going to come from here. Okay, here, which is it teaches you the meaning of love, which you can carry on forever. So the correct answer here is first. Sorry, what? Not first. Here the answer will be which since first I've already written it. Okay, meaning of love, which you can carry, okay, forever in your heart. Okay, so here it's saying which remains in your heart. So when you carry, it is inside your heart. It has remained in your heart. As you are carrying it, it's remained in your heart. Okay, which you can carry. So it remains in your heart forever will be the answer here. Forever. Okay, forever is the answer there. Okay, unless if you have got questions, but basically those are the correct answers, and that is how you find them. So forever is gotten from here. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Question 5 is as follows. It's coming from paragraph 4. When do the members of a family stand up for each other? When do the members of a family stand up for each other? When A, an outsider try to harm the family, B, at a party, C, celebrating their happy times, D, 3 people try to attack the family. Okay, so let's go to paragraph 4 so that we are able to determine which one is the correct answer. And please, the same way I'm doing every time I'm referring to the paragraph that is quoted, okay, then this is the same thing you do even during the exams. Don't be too over intelligent. I've read, I can remember everything. I'm not refusing. If you can remember everything correctly, then do it, but it's very important that you verify the information every time the paragraph is indicated. Go to the paragraph, read it through so that you get the correct answer. Okay, so paragraph 3 is as follows. Furthermore, we see that like love, loyalty strengthens a family. When you have a family, you are devoted to them. You stick by them through the hard times and celebrate their happiness, their happy times with them. Family members always support and back each other. They stand up for each other in front of a third party trying to harm them, proving their loyalty. Okay, so the question is when do the members of a family stand up for each other? So when we go through this, we will find that our answer is here. They stand up for each other in front of the third party trying to harm them, proving their loyalty. Okay, so A, when an outsider tried to harm them, B, at a party, C, celebrating their happy times, D, 3 people try to attack the family. The correct answer is A, when an outsider tries to harm the family. Okay, D is not correct. 3 people try to attack the family. Okay, it's not correct. There is nothing like that there. Same applies with C and B. Okay, so please, we are down on our knees. We're asking you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Question 6, which is also from paragraph 4. So you go back and read paragraph 4 for us to fetch the answer. So the question is, one who stick by his family in difficult times and celebrates with them is one who stick by his family in difficult times and celebrate with them is dash. A, happy, B, harmless, C, loyal, D, strong. Okay, so like I have said earlier on, even if the answer seems to be very simple here, we have to go back and check our answer again. Okay, so let's go to paragraph 3. Oh, sorry, paragraph 4. Let's go to paragraph 4. Paragraph 4 is, furthermore, we see that like love, loyalty strengthens a family. When you have a family, you are devoted to them. You are devoted to them. You stick by them through the hard times and celebrate their happy times with them. Family members always support and back each other. They stand up for each other in front of a third party trying to harm them, proving their loyalty. Okay, so the answer for this question will be this one, because in this paragraph they have talked about how you should behave when they are celebrating. When people are happy, you celebrate with them. If your family members are happy, you celebrate with them. And when they are confronted by the third party or an external person or person outside the family, you back them. Okay, you back them. So and you also try to defend them. So that way, that describes a person who celebrates, and the person who celebrates with a family, as well as back their family members when they are being attacked, is said to be loyal. So the correct answer is C, loyal. Okay, please subscribe. Question 7 is as follows, and it's coming from paragraph 6. One cannot overemphasize the importance of family. Means that the family is, one cannot overemphasize the importance of the family. Means that the family is A, extremely important, B, is a debatable unit, C, less important, D, quite important. So here we cannot even go to the paragraph, because the answer is not about the paragraph, how the words are arranged or what is being said in the paragraph, but here it is understanding this phrase. Okay, this phrase, how do you understand this phrase? Okay, so if you want, we can go so that it can help us to understand the phrase better if we go through the passage. So let's go to the passage and read through. Maybe it can assist us to understand fully what this phrase mean, or what this statement mean. Okay, let's go through paragraph 6. One cannot overemphasize the importance of family. It plays a great role in our lives and make us better human beings. Those lucky enough to have a family often do not realize its value. However, those who do not have families know their worth. A family is our source of strength. It teaches us that relationship mean. It teaches us what relationship mean. It helps us create meaningful relationships in the outside world. The love we inherit from our families, we pass on to our independent relationship. Okay, so you see all good things that comes from a family. So when we go back to the statement where we are asked to say, where the statement is, one cannot overemphasize the importance of family, means that the family is, so if we look at A, the family is extremely important. That's what is this saying, and I can agree with this point, and I'll circle that point as the correct answer. However, let's go to B, which is saying a family is a debatable unit. You cannot debate about the family. Your family is your family. By birth, you belong to that. And the way they will treat you is definitely going to indicate that you are a member of that family. C, less important. No, the family is very important. D, quite political. There is no politics in a family. So the correct answer is A. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Question 8 is as follows. Question 8 also is coming from paragraph 6. So we're going to read paragraph 6 for us to get the correct answer. An example of an independent relationship would be, an example of an independent relationship would be dash A, father, B, friends, C, parents, D, siblings. Okay, so let's go to paragraph 6 and determine which relationship is an independent. Okay, here is paragraph 6. One cannot overemphasize the importance of family. It plays a great role in our lives and makes us better human beings. Those lucky enough to have a family often do not realize its value. However, those who do not have families know their worth. A family is our source of strength. It teaches us what relationships mean. It helps us to create meaningful relationships in the outside world. The love and we inherit from our families, we pass on to our independent relationship. Okay, so the question is, an example of independent relationship would be, okay, so now here when we talk about an independent relationship, we look at the answer A, father. Father is a member of a family. Okay, so father, it's out. Okay, friend or friends, sorry, friends, this one is a relationship we create outside the family. Okay, so this could be one of the independent relationship, B. Okay, however, when you talk about parents, that's where your father falls into. They are the members of your family. Parents are members of your family. When you talk about siblings, we are talking about, which is D, siblings, that is, we're talking about brothers and sisters. These are members of our family. Therefore, the correct answer is B, the one of second. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Question 9 is as follows. It is coming from paragraph 7. Parents who want to raise a person who is able to communicate well should dash. Parents who want to raise a person who is able to communicate well should dash. A. Communicate better with the rest of the world. B. Create a better future for the world. C. Spend time, love, and communicate with their children. D. Teach how to communicate properly. So these are the options of the answers, but for us to determine which option is correct, we are going to go and read paragraph 7. Paragraph 7 is as follows. Moreover, families teach us better communication. When we spend time with our families and love each other and communicate openly, we create a better future for ourselves. When we stay connected with our families, we learn to connect better with the world. Okay, so the question is, parents who want to raise a person who is able to communicate well should do. So A, communicate better with the rest of the world. So before you start communicating better with the rest of the world, where do you get these skills of communicating better with the rest of the world? Okay. B, create a better future for the world. Okay, so how do you create the better future for the world? C, spend time, love, and communicate with their children. Okay, so if you want to raise a child who is able to communicate well, you should spend time, love, and communicate with their children. So parents should spend time, love, and also communicate with their children. This will enhance the skill of communication. So the children will start practicing communicating with their mother, okay, or to their mother. They'll be saying things to their parents or their mother or their father, whoever, or maybe the family member, whoever is present as a family member. They will start talking to them before they even start interacting with the rest of the world. D, teach how to communicate properly. So the correct answer here is C. Okay, C is the correct answer. Spend time, love, and communicate with their children. That is the correct answer. Question 10 was as follows. We can conclude from paragraph 8 that people who are patient, so we can conclude from the paragraph that people are patient. A, are also very strong and confident. B, did not love and respect family members. C, learnt it from practice in a family. D, never had a loving family. So to answer this question, let's go and answer. Let's bring out the passage, which is paragraph. Paragraph 8 is as follows. Similarly, families teach us patience. It gets tough sometimes to be patient with our family members, yet we remain so out of love and respect. Thus, it teaches us patience to deal better with the world. Families boost our confidence and make us feel loved. They are pillars of our strength who never fall. Instead, they keep us strong so that we become better people. So, what can we conclude from paragraph 8? That people who are patient, so we can conclude that the virtues a person has as like being confident and be patient is something that we learn from our families. So C is the correct answer. So we can conclude that people who are patient learned it from practice in a family. That's what we can conclude. Okay, if you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, that is the correct answer. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will really be grateful if we see your subscription. Okay, question 11 is as follows. According to the passage, which three of the following statements are true? Write the letters of the three true statements in the boxes in the separate answer booklet provided. Okay, so let's go through the statements and find out which statements are true. Okay, so let's start with A. Families teach us to be patient and to communicate better. Did we read anything about communicating better in this passage? Yes. And having patience? Yes. So does it come from the family? Yes. We're also told that these are virtues that comes from the family. We start learning them at a family level before we even start interacting with the world. So A is true. So I'm going to write A here. Okay. B, family members do not share the same values. Is that true? Did we learn that family members don't share the same values? No, in fact, the opposite. Family members have the same values. Okay, so C, it is only when you do not have a family when you realize its worth. Yes, we read that. Some people who have got family members, they don't see the importance of the family, but those who do not have families, they do realize the importance of the family. So C is correct. Okay, we come to D. Loyalty does not make people devoted to their families. No, we read somewhere in the passage where it said if your family member has a problem with a third party, you show loyalty to your family member. Okay, so if the person the family member is quarreling with is from not your family, is not from your family, then you support the person who is from your family. That is loyalty. So loyalty is one of the virtues that can be enjoyed in a family. E, relationships we have with each family member are not the same. Yes, that is true. So the relationship we can have different family members, the relationships you can have with different members are also different. So E is true because that's what we also learned from that. Then, just for the sake of going through all the statements, maybe F can be better than any of the three. We go through F. The F is saying the meaning of the family changes from time to time. That is not true. In paragraph 1, we are told that the meaning of the family is the same, does not change. Okay, so basically I was just trying to go through F, but it doesn't mean that you have to compare all it is just have to identify the facts. if the point is telling the truth, you have heard about that idea from the passage, then you write the letter. So I just went through up to F just to go through all the points to make it easier for you to understand that even F is not correct. So the correct answers are A, C, E. Okay. Question 12 is as follows. Find words that have the same meaning as the following. You must spell them correctly. Okay, so we have got the column where there are meaning of words and where we expect to write the correct word. That means the words that are in the meaning column. Okay, so we go to question 12a. Question 12a is only one of its kind, that is paragraph 2. So the question is coming from paragraph, the word is coming from paragraph 2. So let's go and fetch paragraph 2 and read through so that we can find the word that means only one of its kind. Paragraph 2 is as follows. It does not matter what kind of family one belongs to, it is equal as long as there is care and acceptance. You may come from an extended family or nuclear family, it is all the same. The relationship we have with our members make our family strong. We all have unique relations with each family member. In addition to other things, a family is the strongest unit in one's life. Okay, so here we have read through and we want to look for a word that has the same meaning as only one of its kind. So the word that has that meaning is unique. Is unique. Okay, unique means that it's only one of its kind. So we can write unique like here. I'll be using capital letters, so please bear with me. But for you, you can use small letters. So unique is the correct answer there. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Question 12b is as follows. Person or thing that you get something from. Person or thing that you get something from. We're going to find this word from paragraph 3. So let's go to paragraph 3 and go through the paragraph so that we can scout for the word that has the meaning of a person or thing that you get something from. Okay, paragraph 3 is a family is made strong through a number of factors. The most important one is, of course, love. You immediately think of unconditional love when you think of family. It is the first source of love you receive in your life. It teaches you the meaning of love, which you can carry on forever in your heart. Okay, so question 12b is asking us to find a word that has the meaning of a person or thing that you get something from. Okay, so where you get something from, like you have got your father where you get your money, you have got your mother where you get your food, you have got your teacher where you get knowledge. So your teacher, your father, your mother, here they are acting like the source of whatever you get from them. So the word here in the statement we have is source. In the paragraph we have the word source that has the same meaning as a person or thing that you get something from. It can be a tap where you get water from. It can be a borehole where you get water from. So that will be your source because you get something from it. So the correct answer here is source. Okay, I hope you are following me. If you are, please like our video. We will really appreciate that. Okay, question 12c is having great love for something and being loyal. Having great love for something and being loyal. So the correct answer will come from paragraph 4. Let's go to paragraph 4. Paragraph 4. Furthermore, we see that like love, loyalty strengthens a family. When you have a family, you are devoted to them. You stick by them through the hard times and celebrate their happy times with them. Family members always support and back each other. They stand up for each other in front of a third party trying to harm them, proving their loyalty. Okay, so here we want to find a word that has the same meaning as having great love for something and being loyal. Okay, so that word that has the same meaning as that meaning is here. You are devoted, you are devoted, you are devoted. When you devote yourself to something, that means you are loyal and you are going to, you have loyal and you have love for them. So having great love for something and being loyal, that is being devoted. So the correct answer is devoted. Okay, if you are devoted to something, that means you love and you are loyal to it. You love it, or and you are also loyal to it. I hope my handwriting is clear. Okay, that is devoted. Okay, we go to the next question. Question 12D is as follows: strong connection. Strong connection. Which word has the meaning as strong connection? Which word has the meaning of strong connection? So we are going to find that word that means the same as strong connection in paragraph 5. So let's go to paragraph 5. Paragraph 5 is as follows: all the things people learn from their families bring them closer. For instance, we learn how to deal with the world through our family first. They are our first school, and this teaching strengthens the bond. It gives us the reason to stand by each other as we share the same values. Okay, so what word has the meaning of strong connection? Okay, so the word that has the same meaning as strong connection is bond. Okay, so you have a bond, that means you have created a strong connection. So the answer here is bond. Okay, all right. Question 12E is as follows: to make something increase. To make something increase. What word has the meaning of making something to increase? The word that has got something, the meaning of something to increase. So let's go to paragraph 8 and read through the passage and identify that word. Okay, paragraph 8 is as follows: similarly, families teach us patience. It gets tough sometimes to be patient with our family members, yet we remain so out of love and respect. Thus, it teaches us patience to deal better with the world. Family boosts our confidence and make us feel loved. They are the pillars of our strength who never fall. Instead, they keep us strong so that we become better people. Okay, so we're looking for the word that has the same meaning as to make something increase. So the word that is telling us that has the same meaning as to make something increase is the word boost here. Okay, the word boost is telling us something. It has the meaning as to make something increase. So the correct answer is boost. That is the correct answer, boost. Remember, this is T. Okay.